In front of me is the LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Made Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. Now, to activate it, click on this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, use this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to continue, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, you need to click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you wanna paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and select Pin. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on Delete. You can also pin it or delete it by clicking on this pen at the top right corner, picking whatever you wish from Clipboard and selecting one of those two icons at the top right corner as well. Last but not least, if you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!